Hello guys, I am Arvind. This is continuation video of a string and it is part 3, and in this lecture I am going to show you how to find length of the string using library function. So let's open up the Turbo C++ compiler. So guys, I will show you how to find out the length of a given string. So in this program I am going to use a library function, and that is strlen. And this function strlen is declared in the string.h header file. So now guys, I have declared a character array of size 20, and I have also declared an integer variable len, and now I am taking input from the user using getAs function, and that input string will be stored to as character array, and then we can find out the length of that string using strlen function. We will pass this character array to the strlen function. This strlen function will return the length of the given string to the len variable, and then we can print the length of the string by this printf statement. So now if I run this program, and now it is requesting to enter a string, so let me enter this string and hit enter. So now it is printing the length of the string, and that is 14. Now guys, we have find out the length of the string using library function. Now we will find out the length of the string without using library function. So let's go ahead. So guys, in this program I will show you how to find out the length of the string without using library function. So I have declared a character array of size 20 and an integer variable that is initialized with the 0, and then I am taking input from the user by using getAs function, and I am using while loop to trace all the characters in the string. If the character is not a null character, then we will increment I by 1. Once the null character is found, then I will be equal to the length of the string, and then we can print the length of the string by using this printf statement. So now if I run this program, and it is requesting to enter a string here, so let me enter a string, and this is the string Arvind Kharwal, and hit enter. Then it is printing the length of a string, and that is 14. So I hope it is clear to you guys, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.